संजय एंड वसंत, राइट? अब एक केस स्टडी करते हैं ना, देखते हैं क्या होता है। ये कील है, ठीक है ना? इमेजिन कीजिए इनका पैर कील पे पड़ जाता है। इमेजिन दैट ही गॉट हर्ट दिस नेल। कर लिया इमेजिन, संजय? नाउ normal protocol is that he will be taken to the doctor, and which injection he will be asked for? Very right. Go for tetanus injection immediately. But then tetanus, because tetany is a bacteria which lives in a rusty things, the bacteria might have got entered in his body, and his body should be protected from the bacteria, right? So what it has to be done? The germs, tetanus injection, right? So the body needs to be protected from this bacteria, tetany bacteria. So you have to take tetanus ka injection, right? But I take this lab, and in the lab it is seen that it does not contain tetany bacteria at all, and in this vicinity where he stepped, there was no tetany bacteria at all. So do he still need a tetanus vaccine? Yes or no? Very clear. Logical also. He will not need. If I can prove that there is no bacteria here, there was no, so why to give unnecessary, right? No vaccine is required, no tetanus injection is required for you since there was no bacteria. Clear? Sanjay is safe from the injection, tetanus injection, right? Basant's case, again, he stepped on the nail, right? This time, I said, no tetanus vaccine for him. First, let me take it to the lab. So in this case, I took it to the lab, and lab said it is full of tetany bacteria. This means his body is now having tetany bacteria, right? His body was not having, so he is free. His body is having. My question to you, should we give him tetanus vaccine? Logical, what the doctor will say, logic says, yes, because he has hurt himself with that, and this is having lot of tetany bacteria, so he must be given tetanus ka injection, right? वो लगेगा ही लगेगा, बच्चों को डराते हैं tetanus का injection लगा देंगे, that way. Now, try to understand. If his body is already having this virus, this bacteria, why through injection we want more dead tetany in his body? By vaccine, what we are achieving? We are adding more same bacteria or not? It is not, vaccine is not a medicine. It is the dead version of the same bacteria with which he is infected. So his body is already having tetany bacteria. So why I'll put some more dead? What is the logic? Right? So if there is no tetany bacteria, don't vaccinate. If there is a lot of tetany bacteria, don't need to vaccinate. So in both the cases, you don't need tetanus ka injection. Let me tell you, medical science is not a medical science like a medical culture. I'll give you one small example to make you understand. And the example is something like this. You go to any religion, right? I'm not talking of any particular. You go to mandir or masjid or anywhere, let's say mandir, and I pray to the God, and I at the end, I put some money or some fruits or some sweets. Do you think God will come someday to take it? I have faith in God. No question in that. But why I am putting the sweet? It is a tradition. And we are told not to question the tradition, right? Instead, I believe the amount of money which I am going to spend one day, I will give to some poor. God will be happy or not, right? So, or both. To be on a safer side, let me put it in the mandir also, equal amount to the poor also. But in case of the body, right, it is a tradition. Since a childhood we have been hearing that if you are hurt with something like this, go for a tetanus injection, right? And you are told, you are being brainwashed, don't question it, So you don't question it. But you see, where is the logic, right? Even if there is a tetany live bacteria inside his body is trying to make antibodies, weapons to kill it by putting some more dead bacteria. His chances of getting cured, will it increase? It cannot, right? And it is not only my logic. Journal of Neuroscience Research, 2006, exposure tetanus toxin fragment by nerve terminal from an intramuscular depot is an avid and rapid process and is not blocked by vaccination, right?